Ask Doug, what if the charges for emergency medical care get too high? Ask Doug FAQs and Answers about travel insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your travel medical insurance best for you. What if the charges for emergency medical care get too high, Doug? Great question, Adorjan. Yes, please call the emergency number for the travel medical insurance company that is on your ID card. The travel insurance company may be able to set up a direct billing with the medical provider. Unless it is medical emergency, please call the travel medical insurance company as soon as you are told that you may need surgery or a new injury or illness. The travel medical insurance company can help coordinate a direct billing with the hospital. A pre-existing medical condition may have limited or no coverage. Find out more information on your travel insurance options at gianinsurance.com/travel.